What's going on, Rich Gang? It's your boy Rich coming back with another fucking video, man. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you guys for all the support. If you haven't checked out the last video with the fun run with Jerb and how it ended with a disaster, go check that out because it was a fucking disaster, and that is why we are at this point. God damn it. So, if you checked out the last video, not, whatever. I money shifted, basically, since I put in the CT short shifter and I did the clutch job and whatnot. 4th to 5th gear has just been weird. Finding it is just kind of weird. You're in 4th, you just push it up and you're like into 5th. It's f***ing weird, guys. I always have trouble finding where it was after doing the installation. Because if you go too far, it's like you're in the middle of f***ing nowhere. So yeah, that kind of f***ed me up. By the sound of it, that being said, it seems like it's probably maybe a throwout bearing, it could be the pressure plate. I just did this clutch job, which is really unfortunate, but we're gonna get to it, we're gonna do it, because it's what we fucking do. It's more content for you guys. Like I said before, you guys experience the real fucking deal, what's going on with the car, and all the bullshit that happens. It was like literally the first official run I like really did with the car, and this fucking happens. Like, you guys seen how much I really beat on my last car, and not shit, but here we f***ing are with this one. First one, and hey, I guess you live and learn. I'm not gonna f***ing race this thing anymore. No promises, but like for a long while, man, I'm gonna baby this f***ing thing, because that shit just ruins a lot, so. Drip, 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 drippy. Okay, hold on. Alright, update. Got the training case off and everything. I took out the throwout bearing. It looks pretty fine to me. Like, I don't know, it's spinning. It doesn't look destroyed or nothing. It was on there pretty good, you know, I had to pull it off. But there is like a little bit of metal debris in there. So, I don't know, I might have to just pop off the pressure plate and the flywheel and see what's good. But I don't have the pressure plate socket, the star bit, whatever it is. Yeah, I don't have that, so I gotta buy that tomorrow, and then I'll give you guys an update tomorrow on maybe what the hell it is, and I'm hoping it's something right there and not my trainee, but from what it seemed like it is, it's not my trainee, because it was going in the gears, it was driving. It was kind of going in the gears, like the engagement was kind of shitty, but it was driving, and with the car off, it was going in the gears smoothly, so it doesn't seem like it's my trainee. We shall see, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you drop a like, man. Help me out, guys. Watch the ads, watch the video throughout, and support your boy. On the road to 3K subscribers next, then 4, then 5, and hopefully you hit 10K someday, so yeah. Peace. Yo, what is going on, guys? So, a little update. We got a little bit done, then we took a break because we had to eat, relax a little bit. I was kind of tired throughout the day. Yeah, now we're here at 3:41. I got my little naps in and shit, so I'm a little bit more revived. Got the car up, about to start taking out driver's side. I got everything out from the top, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. I got the starter out, all that. I took out my RRC manifold, just to have more room, see everything, whatever the fuck, you know. The more you do it, the easier it gets, sometimes. So, let's just continue this process. I don't know how far I'm gonna get or how much I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do a little bit more, you know, taking out the caliper, and I'm gonna work my way around, but I'm not trying to do too much banging and be hella loud because it is, 4 a.m., so they just get to it. Alright guys, so update where we at so far. I'm basically almost done. I literally have everything off except a couple training casing bolts. So everything up top is out. The driver's side is out. The passenger side's out. 2 training mounts are out. Two motor mount bolts are out. One's out, the other one's out as much as it can. You just back it out as far as you can. I obviously drained the fluid, and there was like metal dust specks in it, but there wasn't really any metal chunks or anything like that. It didn't look bad or anything, so it's a pretty good sign, I guess. Get this popped open. Hello! Alright guys, so what I see so far on this side doesn't really seem like anything really happened here visually. I'm not seeing like any crucial marks, but this is the only side that I really right here. Let's look at this. Look at this, guys. So this bolt was like completely backed out. So that's something that was like grinding up in there. A lot of these bolts, they're like loose, guys. Look. That one isn't. This one is. That one isn't. This one is. This one is. So 3 bolts out of 8, guys, are tight. So I don't know if from like grinding the 3rd gear so much it just fucking vibrated them out or some shit. That's obviously like the culprit. So that definitely like grinded shit down, just causing some issues. I don't know if that was an error somehow on my part and I didn't torque it to spec, but I went around and I double checked, and unless I had the wrong setting on the torque wrench itself, because that shit's kind of like the Harbor Freight little janky one. Yeah, I feel like I could tell a hot spot from the top portion right there. Like I see like a wavy shininess to it. So maybe there's a hot spot. I need to get it. The flywheel resurfaced. I'm not sure if I could reuse that. I don't know if like the hard grinding into 3rd, because I was banging off rev limiter, like vibrated the bolts kind of loose. I don't know. So, I don't know, we'll just see. Maybe take shit off. What up, what up? Another update. It's next day. I got all the flywheel bolts out. I had one that was like stuck in there. I had to go to Harbor Freight, buy another fucking breaker bar, because I needed the other breaker bar to hold that side. This one bolt, hella strip. So, it was hella hard to take out. And I was just sitting there spinning. I'm like, dude, why the fuck is this taking so long? It's just not a long fucking bolt at all. They're just sitting there spinning towards the end. So I had to take out the other 2 bolts because I was trying to use pressure as leverage. Help take that one out. Give enough wiggle room to just pop this one out. But now I got all the bolts out. Now my flywheel seems to be like stuck. It should just be able to pop out, but it's not fucking moving. Whole new engine. 0,000 miles. This is not looking too hot. Kind of looking like I'm gonna need a new flywheel too. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoy, drop a thumbs up. Leave some positive comments for your boy. I need the prayers. It's looking a little bit worse than I anticipated. It kind of got worse the more shit I took off. The crankshaft is pretty beat up. There's a nice chunk missing out of it, as you guys seen. And around there's a little bit of burring and things that melted on, and the flywheel's kind of fucked up in the back, so I don't know, man. It's not looking too hot, bro. So I don't know what you guys think. Building my motor, put a K20 head, you know? Just let me know what you guys think, because I gotta figure out what to do now. I might hit up my machine shop boy, see what he thinks from, you know, his standpoint. And if I gotta build this thing, I mean, what the fuck else can I do, really, honestly? It's my fuck up, and shit happened, and you know, you live and learn, I guess. Yeah, let me know what you guys think I should do. I love to see you guys' comments, and I love interacting with you guys and just kind of bouncing off ideas, because, you know, it's always good. So, I know I build this thing for myself, but I know you guys enjoy the content, and I know you guys like seeing your ideas get, you know, put to use. So, yeah. Drop your comments, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, man. Yo, we're ramping up on subscribers, almost at 2.5K already. Yo, go check out the racing video to see why we led up to all right here. So yeah, my arm's hurting, this camera's heavy. Peace out, love you guys.